Okay, this is a weather outlook update, Wednesday the 26th. Yeah, I'm a little late, but nothing I can do about it with work and everything. But we're going to give you an update because we have some rough weather moving through the state. Just had power pop out here 3 times in a matter of a few minutes, but it's back on again. But it was during a downpour. Once again, our sponsor is Kittner Modular Homes. Check out their website. It's got some pretty good stuff there that these guys do. You should really check them out. Now, this is the radar showing what it's been, and now you can see it's starting to move off to the east. This is in the next hour or so. It's moving this way. You can see these heavy rains in here. I didn't hear any thunder and lightning, but the lights did blink, so 3 times. But again, you can see some of these areas up to the extreme northern areas could be a little snow mixed in here, but I don't think much of it. But this rain will move in through the night and then be followed by a cold front behind it. That'll bring in some more. Now we flip over to the simulated radar, which is around midnight tonight. You can see this rain has moved more towards the north in Pennsylvania and it's led up to the south. You can still see some heavier embedded rain in here. Again, and then as this thing moves out, again, you can see it changes to snow and a little bit of freezing rain up here north of Binghamton up towards Hunter Mountain. But I don't see any big deal for Pennsylvania. This is around 1 a.m. and then we move this out to around 3 a.m. and it's up this way. Maybe extreme northern Wayne County gets a little bit of snow mixed in, but it's not going to do anything. And then it just kind of moves out. Then you have this front kind of draped across the state here as we get into tomorrow morning. Here's your 7 a.m. radar, simulated radar, and you can see the rain moving through during the morning hours. Here's 9, here's 10, 11, here's noontime. It does change over by then out here towards Erie, but no heavy precipitation, just switches over to a little bit of snow, and the rest of it is basically showers involved with this. And then as we get into around 8 o'clock Thursday night, you can see a little bit of a burst of snow here, but it's not much. It's just a little bit, and it dies out as it goes to the east. What we're talking about in total snow is not much at all. You can see the higher peaks here get an inch most up by Erie, an inch or so most. Elsewhere in between, a dusting to an inch, if it even sticks. Same thing up here in Wayne County, my Binghamton. Luckily, if it sticks to the ground at that point in time. Now, I'm still, like I said, looking at between March 8th and 10th as a possibility of something happening. The computers don't show the phasing of the systems, but I still got a feeling that it might end up happening. It's just that they're not catching on to it yet. And the only change in my forecast is as we move towards the middle of the month, towards the end of March into the first 2 weeks of April, I think temperatures will trend to normal to below normal. Which would mean a late spring. So if your normal temperature, like let's say April 1st is like 50 degrees, it might be 40 degrees, 30, 40 to 45 degrees. So it's going to be below normal. It's not going to be teens or anything like that, but it's going to be chilly. So planting might be at risk. Okay, so that's your quick update, and I'll be back on here. It'll be tomorrow evening again. I got some work to do. I'm going to try to get on in the evening, if not early in the morning, but that's going to be about it. I got a long day playing work tomorrow. All right, everybody, take care and be safe.
Homes to the place we belong. Kidner Homes since 1972. Kidner Homes has known what to do. With endless floor plans, we will build your dream home with our own 2 hands.